Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you another powerful AI tool that can help you create LinkedIn posts in seconds. So whether you're trying to increase your presence on LinkedIn, you want to share your insights or promote your work, and this AI LinkedIn post generator makes it quick and easy. So no more struggling with what you have to say or how you have to say it. I'm going to walk you through how to use this tool step by step so that you can start creating professional, engaging posts that can make an impact. Let's get started. So the first step is to go to this AI tool. But this AI tool in particular is called eloquent.live. I'm going to leave the link to this tool in the description box so that you can go check it out. This tool also does have a free version, so you can get started for free, see how you like it. If it works for you, then you can go ahead with the pricing. I don't want to talk too much about the pricing in this video. I just want to give you like a quick tutorial so that you can try it out on your own time and then decide from there if you really want to go ahead with a purchase. So the first step is to click on Get Started for free. So once you click on Get Started for free, I usually like platforms that allow you to sign up with Google or any social media account you already have, because that way you don't have to like create new passwords every single time you sign in. So so you can sign up with Google. That is if you already have a Google account. So since I have a Google account, I'm just going to click on sign up with Google. If you don't have a Google account, yes, you can enter your email, your name, and then set a password for this platform. So when you come to the dashboard, you would have free credits. That will be good for about 10 posts, right? So this is where you could basically leverage the free credits they have to see if it's something that would work for you. If you're someone who posts on LinkedIn frequently, then you know that there are different types of posts you can have. So you could just basically have like your post in text and then have an image, or you could have like a carousel post. Usually people would use, let's say, Canva to create like a carousel post. But this application promises to allow you to have a carousel post without having to like go into Canva. So let's try it and see if it actually does walk the talk. You can either use like a YouTube video or you could do like an article. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm probably gonna first use like a YouTube video first to see what I get. And then I'm gonna try with an article as well to see what I get. I'm just gonna go first into my YouTube channel. And then I'm just going to select my last uploaded video. If you haven't watched my last tutorial, I would encourage you to watch it. It's a tutorial on a free AI SEO writing tool, which you can use if you're someone who usually needs to write like blog for your site or like your content creator. Definitely has a lot of benefits. And in terms of like the post type, I'm just going to say educational. And then the post style, I'm going to say what industry take. And then in terms of writing style, I'm going to say direct and no nonsense approach. And then I'm going to click on generate post. Okay, so this has been generated for us. So the tutorial was on a free AI SEO writing tool. Let's see what we have here. So it says unlock the secret to effortless SEO, harnessing the power of AI writing tools to write optimized content in minutes. Gotta click next. Well, it gives me like basically 3 posts. I chose like a hot industry take, as I was thinking it would go in the direction of maybe providing me details about AI in the field of like SEO or writing blogs. It didn't really give me any of that, but if you like the post that's generated, you can go ahead and like just click save. But I was expecting something more, but it's just too early to judge this tool. So let's go on to article. So I'm just probably gonna go online and just look for a random article, AI in businesses. So I'm just going to copy the link and then I'm going to put it in the tool here. And again, I'm just going to keep it as educational, give me like a hot industry take, direct no nonsense approach, and I'm going to click on generate post. I like this post a lot more better. It actually gives like a lot more context, seems more like an industry take as opposed to like just like giving me like a title or not like even going down to giving me an opinion. So I think this will work as a post. So I think it really comes down to like the type of video, because the first video I uploaded really is a tutorial video and it will be hard to give a take on that, unless of course you're doing the tutorial or you're sort of like critiquing the tool itself, which is not the case in this scenario. So I would say it's okay. In terms of like the article as well, I think that this post actually works. This is something I would actually post on LinkedIn. Now let's go on to the carousel post and let's see how that works as well. So for the carousel, again, I'm probably going to use the same link and see what happens with the carousel. And then I'm going to select educational, industry insights revolution, direct no nonsense approach, and click on generate carousel. Okay, so the carousel has been created. Let's see. I'm gonna click on next. Okay. Oh, I think this will work. If you click on edit carousel, you have the ability to change the color. So you could basically change the theme to like solid color, select something else, airy bliss. Yeah. So I like this. It's just like editing in Canvas, so it's really good. In terms of the settings, you could include images, the author's name, the author on LinkedIn. That's also not too bad. You could basically change the subtitle if you want. You want to go back to the next one, which is an article. So if you click on article, just put in the article there, the link to the article, which is this one. Then you select the post type, select the post style, problem solving, showcase, or maybe hot industry take, and then writing style. Again, I'll take conversational and just see how it comes out as. You could basically select how many you want, how many pages you'd want in your carousel, and then click on generate. Okay, so yes, this has also been generated now. I like this a lot more better. If I click on edit carousel, for instance, like I said, you'll be able to change the theme to like solid color, change the background. If there's any like specific custom color you want, you could always come in here and then select. Let's say if I wanted the header to be red, I can come in and change it. If I want to change the background, I want to make it yellow, you could do so. Get black, you could do so. So it's just like having this application generates the post for you and also having the ability to edit it as well, which I think is really cool. And then there's also like a Chrome extension, which you could literally download and or add to your Chrome so that you could basically just go on LinkedIn and then it will just like generate the post for you. So I think this actually is cool. If you don't want to come into the app all the time to do the generation of your post, then you could just have the extension installed on your Chrome browser, and then all you have to do is go on LinkedIn and then it will just do everything for you. But I think this is great. I'd like to see a lot more features. I'd like to see the ability to have like video posts, because now videos are like a big deal on LinkedIn, having the ability to have like posts, sharing PDFs and stuff like that. But I think this is definitely a step in the right direction. So like I mentioned, I'm going to leave the link to this particular tool in the description box so that you can go check it out. For now, really, thanks for watching. And if you haven't watched my last video, then I'll encourage you to watch it. I also do have like a whole playlist for content creators. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're a content creator, then I'll encourage you to also check out that playlist that has AI tools that will definitely help take your content creation game to the next level. For now, yeah, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.